Finding the courage to change, the power of quiet time. Over the holiday, I got to observe the tiny tots in the family on Christmas Eve. Early in the afternoon, they were excited and happy, but later in the day, as activities got a little more rowdy and exciting, the little ones were quickly overwhelmed. One child found her mother and cuddled up with her. The little girl hid her face in her mama's arms. "I need some quiet time," she said. After a little pause, she was ready to rejoin the fun. I got to thinking that I'm sometimes like this tired child. I know when I'm feeling tired, overwhelmed, or discouraged. Often I need to take a break from an activity. I need to reconnect with my parent, my higher power. But it can be hard for me to let go of the activity at hand. I remember hating nap time when I was tiny. As an adult, I have the same resistance to taking a break. Yet that's usually exactly what I need to do. I'm learning to build little breaks into my day. I'm setting aside regular quiet times when I can just rest and relax. Sometimes I pray, sometimes I meditate or journal. Sometimes I just look at something that makes me happy, like the Christmas tree. When I allow myself opportunities to rest and relax, my life is so much better. When I pause to reconnect with Source, then I can return to my activities refreshed and renewed. When I slow down and rest, my higher power has a chance to provide some guidance, some inspiration. Soon, I know the next right action, and I'm up and running again.